curb ramps. Let's try to avoid situations like this. Here's some requirements for the curb ramps. A landing should be provided at the top. It should be 36 inches wide, not including the flare sides. Those flare sides should have a maximum slope of 10%. Cross slope always 2% on the ramp part. The ramp part is the part with all the red arrows and red lettering on it. The flares is all the stuff with the black lettering on it. Counter slope at the bottom. So once I go down this curb ramp and I hit the gutter or the street, the access aisle, whatever, the slope countering it shall be a 5% maximum. What's that? It's just basically for entrapment. You don't want two opposing grades there. Make it difficult for folks to maneuver that. They might actually cause a few folks to get stuck there.